is your fault! I did nothing! Mom! Mom, come here! Mom! Mom! I did it! I passed my swimming test!
Great job, Logan.
Mom, you said if I passed, you would buy me a toy, right?
Yes, that is true. I promised.
What is happening? We are going to buy a toy!
We will go to the supermarket nearby, okay?
Hooray!
Have fun. I will make lunch.
Thanks. See you soon.
Which toy do you want, Logan? A robot! A big robot!
Remember, nothing too expensive, okay?
Okay, Mom. We are here! Let's go!
Slowly, Logan.
Wow! Look at all the toys! So many! Mom, look! The robot!
No, it is too expensive.
Oh no!
It is still too expensive. Emma will help you choose. Under $10, okay? I will wait at the front desk. Be good, you two.
Yes, Mom! What about this car? No, I want something fun. What do you think of this dinosaur, Emma? I like it. It is so cute. Boo! Ha ha! Stop trying to scare us. Who are you? Who are you? I am the cashier's son. My name is Willie. I saw you looking at the toys. That robot is the best one. We know, it is too expensive. Look! I can play with everything here. Be careful! Please put it back. Relax. It is fine. Watch this. Oh no! The robot is broken! It is your fault! What? No! I did nothing! Do not come near my brother. Mom! Mom! Come here! Emma, what do we do? Do not worry. We did nothing wrong. Mom will believe us.
What happened here?
He broke the robot, Mom. I saw him. I saw him. That is not true.
Come with me, young man. We need to talk about this broken robot.
My brother will not go anywhere. My brother did nothing. Mom! Mom!
Logan? Is that Logan's voice? Excuse me, what is the problem? Your son broke this robot. It costs $60. Please take responsibility. Logan, Emma, is what the lady is saying true?
Mom, please believe us. It is not my fault. I was here, Mom. Willie took the robot and dropped it.
My children never lie. Do you have proof that they are innocent? I need you to resolve this matter now. Please take responsibility for the toy.
Look at Willie. He is smiling. Wait, There must be a way to show the truth. The camera!
Yes, please check the camera. Then we will know the truth. Fine. Follow me. Let's look at the video. There. Look. Oh no! Willie, it was your fault. Don't you have something to tell us?
I am sorry. Please forgive me. It is okay, Willie. Just do not scare people again.
I owe you an apology, ma'am. I learned that we should not blame someone too quickly without proof. Thank you. Everyone makes mistakes. Is that the toy you want? Then it is a gift from us today. I am sorry again.
Really? Thank you!
I am proud of you two. You told the truth.
Thank you, Mom. Best day ever!
Goodbye. Come again. Goodbye.
I love my dinosaur. You are so funny, Logan.
Welcome back. How was it?
Dad, look! A boy broke a robot, but the camera showed the truth.
Wow, what a day.
Mom, can you buy the robot for me too?
No.